everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload on GitHub. Once you have a GitHub account, you will want to upload your projects. Now to share a code and track changes, in this video I'll show you how to upload files to GitHub step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to log into GitHub. And you can do that by going to github.com in your web browser and then sign in using your account's credentials. Once you sign in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. As you can see here, the second step is to create a new repository, and you can do that by clicking on create a repository here, and here select new repository and then enter the repository name, example my project, here, and choose public for sharing or private for personal use. And then after that, click on create a repository. Now for the third step is to upload files. Now inside your new repository, click on add files. Let's see where we can add the files here. New repository. Let's type in add files. After you add and upload the files, drag and drop your files and choose your files to browse and select them. As for the fourth step, commit to the changes. And you can do that by scrolling down and entering a commit message, for example, initial upload. And after that, click commit changes to save and upload the files. As for the fifth and final step, verify your upload. Your uploaded files will appear in the repository. Click on any files to view its contents. Now to upload using a command line, open the terminal and run. And add a readme file to describe your projects and keep your repository organized with folders and clear comment messages. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you upload files to GitHub. Create a repository, add files, commit changes, and publish them. And now your code is stored online and ready for collaboration. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.